Hey everyone, so today I'm gonna show you about the new latest software of Botmaster. Okay, the original version 21. Okay, so in this software there are certain new features that will be too beneficial for your customers as well as for you. Okay, if you are a single user as well as if you are a reseller. Okay, so first thing what we have got the latest is a creating catalog option. Okay, what we can create in a catalog, we can give a menu option to our customers, like what kind of service they need. For example, I am creating a name of catalog. Okay, then name, menu, then I will create a catalog and I will add an item like digital marketing, and then WhatsApp marketing. Okay, then we will have a catalog like this. We will have a demo. Okay, now we have created this catalog and we will send this catalog with a message. Okay, we can click send. Like this we can send messages also as well as this catalog also all together. As you can see, the catalog have been sent. Okay, now we'll close it, we will open. See, so as you can see, this is the catalog. Okay, and the most important thing, it can also be used on mobile, not only the web view, you can also use it in mobile. And whatever your customer will select, interested, not interested, option 1, option 2, option 3, okay, they can choose it. Like that you can create a chat bot also, okay, for getting replies from your customer. So like that you can send a catalog. After that we can send multiple photos, audio message, video. See, audio message as well as this V card were not available in the older versions. Okay, and what is the major change in this software? The major change is API is working better than old softwares, and old software are stop working right now. Okay, in new API, what are the changes? You can send more messages as compared to the older softwares. Okay, as this is the latest update, it is created according to the latest algorithm of WhatsApp. Okay, as you can check, the number filter is also working correctly. You can filter bulk numbers on WhatsApp. You can filter bulk numbers, are they available on WhatsApp or not. You can grab group members. Okay, you can grab existing group members, whatever you want. You can extract them and you can use that numbers for sending bulk messages. You can set auto reply. Okay, you can set auto reply. You can create catalog option in also in auto reply. Okay, then settings, those who are facing ban issue, they can just WhatsApp us and we will help them how they can prevent their WhatsApp from getting banned. Okay, so if you have any question regarding to the latest version of Botmaster 21, okay, you can just drop me a WhatsApp. The details of the WhatsApp number are mentioned on the screen. Okay, and what you can do, you can use this software to bulk send WhatsApp marketing messages to your customer, so that your number will also not get banned, because the software is having least ban issue. Okay,